In this video, we will go over how to filter SharePoint List by Collaborative Application Markup Language, or CAML. To achieve this, we will be using Plumsail forms for SharePoint app. Filtering by CAML query is quite easy. First, you need to know how to use it and what it is exactly. You can read all about it in the article linked in the description. What you need to know is that CAML filtering is applied when you attach children items to parent. This is essentially the same filtering, but you can configure it to anything you like. If you already have filtering by lookup applied, you'll need to modify the query instead of replacing it. Otherwise, the filtration will be lost. In our example, in the parent list, in the store availability section, we can filter by property type. This form here has been created using Plumsail Forms for SharePoint tool. The table with store locations, property types, and sport categories is a list to library control. This control can display a list located on the same or different SharePoint site. If you're curious to learn more about this control and how you can use it in your forms, we have an in-depth video available. I have linked it in the description. And now let's go back to the Forms for SharePoint app. We need to find drop-down under Common Fields and drag and drop it to the Store Availability section. Next, we'll rename it to Property. And on the right-hand side in the data source, we'll add options Lease and Ownership. Click OK. Next, we'll add code in the JavaScript editor. You'll find several examples of filtering which can be copied and modified according to your needs in the article linked in the description. I am using one of those examples, and I have added our control name, list to library 2, and the drop-down field name, property. Let's save the form and check how it works in SharePoint. Click on Skiing. And under store availability, we have property field where we can pick an option. For example, let's select lease. And as you can see, the items are filtered by that value. And you can set up this type of filtration by any field. You can sign up for a free 30-day trial of Plumsail Forms for SharePoint app today. If you found this video helpful, click subscribe to get more useful tips on how to manage your SharePoint. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below and we'll make sure to get back to you shortly. Thank you for watching and see you soon.